This is a function demonstration of the Honda Civic's 11.5-inch knob-controlled radio system. Let's start by exploring the features in the music section. In the playlist, you can see the current songs being played. You can also mark your favorite songs. Use the EQ to adjust the style of your music. There are multiple preset options, and you can also customize the frequency bands. And there are also subwoofer, delay, and sound field functions. Next, let's move on to the video section. It supports up to 4K video decoding and playback. It also supports split-screen display for multitasking. Now, let's look at the radio station section. Upon first use, you can search for radio channels. You can also save your favorite stations. Simply long press on the FM or AM interface to replace the previous station. These two options allow you to select suburban or urban frequency bands. The radio EQ also supports independent adjustment. Next, let's explore the internet features. After connecting to the network, you can download your favorite apps. The system also comes with several popular apps pre-installed. This section displays the car's GPS information and some related functions. Simply swipe the bottom screen left or right to switch between displays. To customize your shortcuts, just long press an icon and choose a new app. Now, let's look at the air conditioning functions. You can turn on the air conditioning by pressing the button or rotating the knob. Easily adjust the temperature by pressing the control knob. By default, the left and right air outlet temperatures are adjusted separately. Turn on SYNC to adjust the left and right air outlet temperatures simultaneously. These are the options for air outlet direction, AC, and internal/external circulation functions. And here, you'll find the buttons for heating both your rear and front windshields. After minimizing the air conditioning interface, the display will disappear after 5 seconds of inactivity. CarPlay connection steps. Turn on the Bluetooth function on your phone and the radio. Search for your phone's Bluetooth name in the radio's Bluetooth interface and connect. After the Bluetooth connection is established, follow the prompts on your phone to enter CarPlay. For the first CarPlay connection, you need to enable the automatic connection option in the Car Auto interface. Android Auto connection steps. Turn on the Bluetooth function on your phone and the radio. Search for your phone's Bluetooth name in the radio's Bluetooth interface and connect. After the Bluetooth connection is established, follow the prompts on your phone to enter Android Auto. For the first Android Auto connection, you need to enable the automatic connection option in the Car Auto interface. The device has a Type-C fast charging port, which you can use to charge your phone or other devices in case of an emergency. It supports the original car's door open/close prompts. It supports steering wheel button control for volume, track selection, Bluetooth phone calls, and more. It supports viewing original car information. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a thumbs up.